Always got to have a pavlova if you're having a festive feast. And this year I'm thinking doing like roast vanilla peaches and raspberry. First things first, preheat your oven, 160 degrees Celsius. We need 6 egg whites. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to the egg whites. Now we're going to whip them up. So when the egg whites have been whipped to soft peaks, then we can start adding the sugar in while beating the egg white. Of course, the other way to tell whether the meringue is done is just to tip it on top of your head. Now I'm mixing 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. We'll mix this up. Done. So now we can pile our meringue into the middle of the circle, sweep it up around the edges, volcano shape to it. A really nice crispy shell. Peaches, raspberry coulis. Peach Melba and Pavlova, a match made in heaven. So tasty.